So as you can tell, the air filter with JT's Spyder Shop air intake is phenomenally easier. Yes, it's just clippings and so on and so forth, but you can use a Can An filter if you wish. I'll advise you, if you're going to order anything from Can An right now, I'll give you the number. It's E4425, and you will need the red oil with it. It's going to be about $75, and you're going to wait 6 weeks for a brand new one. I do have a Can An filter for the Can An Spyder RS-S for 08s to 012s, freely available. Well, not freely available, I'll take that back, but I'm willing to let it go. I can sell it to you for $30, but I will need $10 shipping. But that's a little bit more than half of what you pay for it. It is oil treated. You don't get my oil because I will be going back to a Can An eventually. But you'll get a pre-oiled filter. It's already serviced and ready to go. I only used it for 6 weeks. Couple things on the air filter change I wanted to be sure that we cover. And if I said oil in this segment, please just substitute it with air. I get it. I'm dyslexic a little bit. You notice how it just spins right off. It uses a 10mm wrench, and then it just spins right off, and it spins right back on. What you want to do is make sure that you line up the bolt to the correct hole. You can damage the intakes very carefully. Also, you just spin it down to nominal tightness, then you take your bolt to it. Please remember, you're bolting into the top of your injector body. Do not over torque. You should not put more than maybe 10 pounds of torque on that air filter bolt. When it's done, it's highly rubberized. It will stay in place. And throughout the year, you can always take the covers off and check it again. I always check things out halfway through my season anyway. But that's it for the air filter. It's fairly straightforward and easy. I'm going to take you for a ride one more time real quickly, and then we'll be done with this. What we're going after next is that guy. We're going after the highway bar, and it's peg, or the highway pegs. We only need to drop the left one. It's really straightforward. In the meantime, I will be conducting my warm-up. I have to ask my wife to leave the house. I am in the carport right now, and I do feel I'm not going to take it out with the covers in place, or even my skins removed. So I've got to ask my wife to step out, go do some shopping, and then I'll do a 5-minute warm-up that I require for my seafoam. You don't need to see me doing that. But I will do the oil drop for you. I won't be doing my flesh as part of the video. I will do the oil drop for you and the filters on the next step, and that will complete basically the oil change from there. I'm almost done with services. I'm going to show you one more in this video that's important, and we're going to review a topic on belt alignment and belt tension. I'm going to go do a product review of what you should be using to check your belt tension, what you should be expecting out of your belt alignment, and whether or not, do you really need a dealer to go take care of it? Got news for you, you don't. I handle all my alignment needs. I handle all my stuff from home, and the only tool I need is a $20 tool. I have buds. I do, because I'm 256 miles one way from the nearest Can An dealer. So I'm not going to do a 500-mile round-trip cruise to go in and get a air light cleared. I have it because I can also do services for people in my extremely remote area on their other Can An products. I have an all license. Anyway, we've done the air filter, we've moved on, we've de-skinned, and we've taken a brief look at the 998. In the next segment, we'll be removing the bar, and I'm honestly going to do the warm-up. We're just going to do that all in one shoot, so it's all in one time lapse, and I don't waste your time. All it is 2 bolts on the bottom of the frame for the removal of that bar. Again, I'm not going to get down dirty and gritty with it, but I will be moving you down to a slightly different camera angle to make sure that you guys get some up-close looks of what's going on in there. I apologize for lisping. I hate my false teeth, and our government sucks. So all I got to say on that. And it looks like we're not going to get anything new either. So, oh well, it was a nice dream. Anyway, we'll take it from there, and then I'll be able to get into the meat of the oil change, and we'll go from there. Really not that much left to do. Winter services are fast and easy. Just take your time, have the shop in the space to do it, and get the right tools always. That's all I got for now. The next segment, we will move into removing the highway bar and dropping the oil. And I'll speak to you after while the oil's draining, and we'll do some other minor checks and wipe downs while that the system is fully draining. I like to let it sit. I don't know if you'll necessarily need to even sit with me on re-adding oil and checking oil levels, but hey, we'll make it fun. Trying to keep this under 30 minutes for everybody, but we'll see how it goes. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.